What's up, guys? So our second day here in Vegas.
Yep.
And then we're gonna head out to Zippy's, go eat some breakfast real quick, and then head out to Hoover Dam.
Yes.
I'm not sure if we're gonna do this in like sections or one whole big one, but
Depending.
yeah, we'll see. All right, catch you guys later.
Bye. Hi guys. So this is our breakfast. We ate at Zippy's again, like Rock said. But we got different food this time, but we didn't video any of it. Because, like, we already ate there. So we're now heading out to the Hoover Dam. Just to go check it out. We are in Boulder City. The home of the Hoover Dam. Almost there. We're almost there. Are you excited?
Dirt, water. Yeah, I'm excited. I want to see it. I just want to see where the Griswoms were. Griswoms. Griswolds. You don't know the Griswoms? Andy Grissom?
Oh, he has the Insta 360 camera.
He has a Tuskegee shirt.
And it also has a handicap placard.
Yung iba nga sa Pilipinas, pati sa likod may Insta 360. Sa harap, sa likod.
And we're through. We did have to get pulled over to go do more of a check because we have a cover in the trunk. So they had to look in the cover. So yeah. to the dam. There's the elevator.
Down. Ayun na lang.
Ooh, there.
$5 for that? Oh, okay. Okay, want that one? $5? The car lock, right?
But if it's out in the open,
Oh, it's in the middle, charging. Hey, that should be fine. Want to get my bill? Okay, let me one card.
you're taking too long.
Oh!
You're taking too long. Haha. Error.
Go ahead. How's that working? Nice.
Talo ka pa rin din.
I want to keep the bottle.
Can? Oh yeah. Damn. Ooh, cold.
There's a plastic cover.
Oh, that's fine. I saw the other guy was struggling opening this. Only
Huwag mong punetin all the way.
You know, we could have probably bought it over in there.
Oh, with the electrolyte.
It's so hard to open.
Excuse me. What kind of camera is that?
This is a This is a GoPro
Oh, it's a
11.
GoPro because my niece wants one, so I was like, is that
Oh,
what
he
you
has a different one.
Oh,
It's a
what
DJ
is yours?
DJI.
DJI.
DJI. You
Yeah.
don't like it? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's
It
cool.
takes really good
Yes.
pictures.
They both do.
And how much are they? Really expensive?
This one was I think 300 when we bought it.
Okay.
It's like 350.
350. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
She's like, I want one of these too. I'm like, oh, what is one of these?
Yeah, no, it's the
It's the
accessories.
360 as well.
Yeah,
360?
the
Oh,
360
that goes
has.
around in a circle.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
So it will just...
it'll like record your front and back at the same time.
Oh, wow.
But there's
So
another
it will-
360 that clips onto your
Yeah, that
Like
you
your
can
strap
clip.
or something. Or...
Yeah, it's like a magnet clip, so
Oh,
you can
okay.
separate the camera from the actual like device.
Oh, that's really
Yeah,
neat.
our
Okay,
friend
cool.
has that one.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. Woo! The heat is real. The heat is real.
muna kaya yung clip ng electric fan.
That's what I was telling Rocky to put the clip on. See, babe, Rolly's using his clip fan.
Nandito kasi sa bag ko, nakalimutan niya yung kulay green niya. Nasa leeg lang dapat. Ano yung init? Babe! Grabe! Oh my good lord! Sakit sa balat! Sakit sa balat!
Guys, do you see that? I didn't watch it yet.
Born in the Rocky Mountains, then fed by other rivers and streams, the Colorado River grows into a mighty force. For settlers in the southwest United States, the Colorado River was a provider and a destructive force. A dam was needed But damming the Colorado was an expensive proposal. Too expensive for private development. In 1922, the 7 Colorado River Basin states formed a compact for the purpose of negotiating how the waters of the Colorado River should be shared. The states could not agree. The Secretary of Commerce, Herbert Hoover, understood the problem and saw a solution. He suggested creating 2 basins and dividing the river's annual water flow, half to the upper basin and half to the lower basin. The Colorado River Compact paved the way for the construction of Hoover Dam. In 1931, a contract to build a dam on the Colorado River was awarded, and over 5,000 men, desperate for work, swarmed the Black Canyon to build this ambitious project.
So we decided to not do one of the 2 tours that they had of the dam. We decided to just go to the visitor center, which is basically like when you can just leisurely walk around and check out everything. I thought this first area was really cool, and how it's like, you actually see how things were when they were planning, what they saw. And I also thought it was really cool that it was kind of interactive, because that guy's literally walking through
Lotion at your floodlight.
every scene. But yeah, so this area, it's, I believe, the exhibit area, and they have a lot of things on display, like the tools that were used. As you can see, like, it shows how people would hang off the cliff or the dam to construct, and it also showed like how they would clock in or out, more or less, just so that they can keep track of who was there and who's back from their shift and all that other fun stuff. Honestly, like, it was very eye-opening to see how much machinery has evolved since this time. And it was also really shocking to see, like, how big a lot of the parts and tools that were used to build the dam actually were. So this part I thought was really cool, how they literally had to break things down and make the concrete little by little to create the pieces, and how everything kind of fit together as a puzzle. So this fact I thought was really cool was how they created the concrete cylinders. I thought it was really efficient and it saved a lot of money and time because they used a lot of things from nature and mixed it with the cement. So they didn't really need to buy a lot of cement. And it also keeps a lot of the nature facts in it. So I thought this was really cool. They had buttons and it would light up like different things. And it basically shows how a dam would work. So like the drainage system, the water, how it runs through what system to create electricity, all that stuff.
Just in the button.
Where's the transformer? Oh, that's the transformer. And then those at top are the transmitter tower. And then the memorial bridge.
And water flow.
So this shows how the water goes through the dam and then how it goes through the turbines and then creates power. They also had a map that you can see here of the river and where like the first dam is, or where the Hoover Dam is, and then all the dams that were built afterwards.
Transformer and 6-generator cooling water.
It went down and then it came back to the 7 and then it went down to around 6.
This is huge, guys.
When did they upgrade the generators since the 40s? That's probably the same one.
So this is the area at the top of the visitor center. You can go out onto their like sun area. Over this area. I take pictures. They have like a mini replica of the dam and the infamous bridge.
This miniature's cool.
This
miniature is cool.
It's really high. Like from where we were to where the water is, as you can see, that is really high.
Is it that stone bunker?
What?
Next to the electric tower?
For what?
The stone bunker? High atop the opposite canyon wall, stone bunker affords an eagle-eyed view of the dam and highway. I think it's that one.
Probably.
Huh? Yeah, look it over there. Lake Mead is the largest man-made lake in the U.S.
I see boulders up there.
Told you,
Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,200 feet across the top. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete.
I'm okay.
That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City.
I'm trying to set up something.
35 feet, but as the dam
I didn't know I was recording this whole time. Here. Guys, it's hot. But I'm determined to do this. I'm determined. I'm determined.
I had to bust out the umbrella, guys. There was like no shade on the dam besides like a certain area. Like the heat, the sun, it hurt.
I'm short.
Extend the Ronnie. It was super hot out there. So I finally just finished walking around. At one point it was like 114 and it dipped down to like 109. So now we're just in the car. Not sure where we're heading. But all I know is at 4:45 to my fantasy league. The first one, baby. Get McCaffrey. Alright, catch you guys.